Hey, my name is Vivian.
Hi, I'm Rebecca.
And we set out to create a comfortable, effective, everyday face mask. We've tested a lot of current masks in the market, and we found a couple of key problems: breathability, fit, and comfort. Each of them separately would make it very difficult to wear it for an extended period of time. And we found that bandanas can only protect up to 20% of the aerosol particles, whereas a much more well-conformed mask will filter up to 80–90%. Another important feature of this mask is the filter component that we use. We use the highest grade of nanofiltration membrane, which conforms to EN 143 standards in terms of its breathability and dust holding capacity. In a test against PM 2.5 aerosol particles, it retains up to 99% of the particulate matter. I'm co-founder and CEO of Vikes Technologies. We're a San Francisco-based biotech and materials science startup. We're also located in the design district of downtown San Francisco, and that's how we met Rebecca to, in the beginning, seek help with the mask project.
I own DAD Sewing House in San Francisco. We are a sewing manufacturer and contractor located in the design district of San Francisco. Vivian came to my facility seeking help in developing a mask that would essentially support and enhance the nanofilter. We quickly decided that the most efficient way that either one of us could help and support the shortage of masks during this time was to come together. We then developed a distribution model that would offer everyday users a premium protective mask while simultaneously supporting someone in need. Which is how we came into the Buy One Give One initiative that we're launching. We're calling it the Good Mask, and for every mask purchased, we're donating one to someone in need. We are initially prioritizing first responders and essential workers, such as grocery store clerks, delivery couriers, fire, police departments, and generally people who are putting themselves at risk daily to help others. Another component that we really tried to work on was the ability to speak and be heard, as well as still have some protection through our filtration and through our mask. So as you can see, I'm wearing the mask and you can hear me clearly. We used a power mesh cutout right here, and which is what we have as an insert. And that's how we are able to speak freely, but also when you put the filter in, then you have the filtration as well.
A lot of our team have backgrounds in nanotech engineering as well as chemical synthesis, and our original idea was to use electrospinning, which is a method to create a nanofiber. That technique has been used by our company since 2015. Since then, we have been working on various types of projects using biopolymers to engineer different solutions that would be more sustainable. For this use case, we are using a recyclable membrane. To us, that is better than the other materials that are out there, and because of the reusability of the outer shell and the lifetime of the filtration component, we wanted to create a product that would follow in our philosophy of reuse and recycle. We're at the stage where we completed our V3 that's ready to go out to consumers. In order to reach our next stage of goals, we need to further commit to purchasing the right equipment and scale up our productions. In order to do so, we need your help. Our goal is to be able to service everybody's need in our community, as well as to be able to give back during this time. So our goal is to get 40,000 masks into the community in the next 2 months. By backing this campaign, you'll be one of the first to receive an O2 Nano mask, which will provide breathability and comfort along with high performance.
Thank you for supporting our campaign. Thank you for learning about O2 Nano masks. We hope that you join us on our journey.